Om Shanti, Essence of Murli, 7th August 2020. Sweet children, follow Srimad and show everyone the way to attain liberation and liberation in life. Continue to do this business throughout the day. Question: what settled things has the Father told you which you have to understand very clearly? Answer: the golden age is the land of immortality, where a soul leaves one costume and takes another. However, there is no mention of death, and this is why that is not called the land of death. Shiv Baba's creation is unlimited, whereas only you Brahmins are the creation of Brahma at this time. One can say Trimurti Shiv, but not Trimurti Brahma. The Father has explained all of these subtle things to you. Think about all of these things and prepare your own food for your intellect. Essence for Dharana. First point: we the new creation of Brahma are brothers and sisters. This has to be understood internally. There is no need to speak about it to others always. Maintain the happiness that Shiv Baba is teaching you. Second point: don't give too much importance to food and drink. Renounce greed and remember the happiness of the unlimited sovereignty. Blessing: may you become a conqueror of Maya and a conqueror of attachment by divorcing yourself from all relationships with Maya and making a deal of having all relationships with the Father. Description: now cancel any older deals in your awareness and become single. You may remain corporate, you with one another, but not as companions. Make them one your companion and divorce Maya and all her relationships. You will then remain a victory is conqueror of Maya and a conqueror of attachment. If there is the slightest attachment to anyone, then instead of becoming an intense effort maker, you will just become an effort maker. Therefore, no matter what happens, continue to dance in happiness, death to the prey and happiness for the hunter. This is known as being a destroyer of attachment. Those who are such destroyers of attachment become beads in the rosary of victory. Slogan: increase the sparkle of the diamond with the speciality of truth. Om Shanti.